Breeding is a biological way for living things to sustain their species in a population. If a species cannot reproduce properly, it will cause them to become extinct. In animals, there are 6 biological ways of reproduction that occur in nature, one of which is giving birth. Here are 10 animals that give birth. Rhino. The white rhino is an endangered species. Even in the mating process sometimes requires human assistance, namely by artificial insemination. In the process of conceiving, rhinos take 16 to 18 months. The birthing process itself takes about 30 minutes, with the mother sitting head first and the baby sitting on her stomach. As soon as the baby rhino is born, the mother then gets up to help her child stand up. The baby weighs between 40 to 55 kilograms and is immediately active and able to suckle its mother shortly after birth. It is estimated that baby rhinos can grow up to 1,000 kilograms in the first 2 years, and will grow up to 1,500 to 2,000 when they grow up. African elephants. Elephants are mammals that reproduce by having children. In general, elephants are divided into 2, namely African elephants and Asian elephants. Male African elephants are the largest animals on land, standing 4 meters tall and weighing up to 4,000 kilograms. In the breeding process, elephants carry their young for 2 years and usually give birth during the rainy season. Newborn elephant calves are about 85 centimeters tall and generally weigh 120 kilograms. The birth of a baby elephant is usually 1, but sometimes twins are born. In its first days, the baby elephant is still unsteady and depends on touch, smell, and hearing, and needs the help of its mother. This is because its eyesight is still poor. Control of the trunk is also poor. After the second week, the baby elephant can stand up straighter, and its trunk control is stronger. Sharks. Shark breeding varies from egg-laying to oviviparous. Baby sharks are born with a full set of teeth and are fully prepared to survive on their own. It aims to avoid predators, including its own mother. Here are the different types of shark breeding. Viviparity, where the egg hatches in the mother's womb, and is then fed by the placenta, which transfers nutrients and oxygen from the mother to the baby. When the time comes, the baby will be born. Viviparous, which is breeding by conceiving and giving birth. Usually there are 2 to 20 babies, but there are also more. Oviparity, where the shark will release eggs wrapped in a rough membrane and attach them to objects on the seabed. The eggs will hatch when the time comes, but may be eaten by other animals. Oviviparous, similar to viviparity, where the eggs hatch in the mother's womb, but there is no placenta to feed the baby. They will eat the unfinished eggs or even eat each other until a few babies are born. Impala. The impala is an animal that lives in eastern and southern Africa. It has a size of about 70 to 92 centimeters and weighs 40 to 76 kilograms. Impala reproduce by giving birth. The mother impala will look for a safe and protected place by the bush during the day for the birth process. This is because daylight is the perfect time, as lions and other big cats rest during the day. Immediately after giving birth, the mother impala cleans the baby and eats the remains to avoid predators. The mother impala will stay in the bush with her cubs for a few days, until the cubs are able to keep up with the rest of the herd. Giraffes. Giraffes are the tallest land animal in the world, with a population of under 100,000, and many conservationists say they are endangered. Giraffes are mammals that only occur naturally in Africa. Giraffes carry their young for 14 months. At birth, the baby giraffe falls head first. The fall does not hurt the baby giraffe at all. As newborns, baby giraffes are 1.8 meters tall and weigh 45 to 68 meters. Baby giraffes become adults at the age of 4 years. What is unique about giraffe herds is that when the mother is about to leave, the baby giraffe will wait in the same location until the mother returns. Not only that, sometimes they also create a kind of daycare, where one mother giraffe watches over all the baby giraffes. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs are animals that have thick hair and sharp spines. Hedgehogs can be found in Asia, Africa, and the Americas, and tend to spread in the tropics. Hedgehogs are also rodents. Female hedgehogs are usually pregnant for about 32 days before giving birth. However, the pregnancy period can be extended if natural conditions are not favorable. It is because hedgehogs are hibernating animals. In the process of giving birth, hedgehogs usually produce 4 or 5 baby hedgehogs. Newborn baby hedgehogs are pink and blind for 1 week and are small at around 25 grams. The baby hedgehog spines are white, and new brown spines will grow a few weeks later. They will stay with their mother for up to 6 weeks, and then live independently as juvenile hedgehogs. Dolphins. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals. In addition, the natural systems that complement their bodies are also very complex. No wonder many technologies are inspired by this animal. One example is the dolphin skin, which is able to minimize friction with water so that it can swim with little resistance. In breeding, dolphins take between 10 months for pregnancy. Dolphins will give birth to a child in a tail-first position to minimize the risk of the baby drowning. While the birthing process takes several hours. Monkeys. Monkeys are mammals that mostly live in trees. They are active during the day and live in groups. Monkeys are notorious for their tendency to move from rural areas to urban areas and live off the scraps discarded by humans. Their mating season is not limited to any particular season. The gestation period lasts between 135 to 194 days. Baby monkeys will grow to adulthood at the age of 4 years. A group usually consists of 20 to 180 monkeys, in a ratio of 4 females to 1 male. Orcas. Orca are also known as killer whales. Actually, orca are not a family of whales, but a family of dolphins. Because they can weigh up to 6 tons and can grow 7 to 9 meters long, orca are the largest species in the dolphin family. Baby orca have yellowish skin that later turns white. The length of an orca's pregnancy in the wild averages 17 months, and there is no birthing season. Each birth, a mother orca will give birth to 1 baby and is able to give birth again every 3 to 5 years. In some cases, a female may not have another calf for 10 years. Newborn orcas are about 2.6 meters long and weigh 120 to 160 kilograms. Zebra. Zebras are the most abundant grass-eating animals in Africa. This animal is characterized by the color of white and black stripes, although when the newborn baby is brown and white. The gestation period of a mother zebra is 13 months. When the zebra gives birth, the mother will separate from the herd to hide from predators. Baby zebras weigh 31.7 kilograms at birth and wake up after 10 to 20 minutes. When the zebra calf is ready to join the group, it uses sight, sound, and smell to recognize its mother. The zebra birth period is not seasonal, but peaks during the rainy season. For 1.5 years, the baby zebra will usually suckle its mother. Thus, the video from us hopefully useful and can entertain your free time. Thank you for watching. Press like if you like this video or dislike if you don't like it, and see you next time.